You see all these people on pump.fun launching meme coins in the hopes of making thousands of dollars in minutes? Well, there is a 99% chance that no one is buying any of these coins. Look how many people are launching these things every minute, guys. Almost all of them fail and are a complete waste of everyone's time. You may have seen people making ridiculous amounts of money launching random meme coins, but for every one that succeeds, there are thousands that completely flop every day. It's so easy to make a meme coin now that there are obviously way too many being launched and not even close to enough people willing to buy them. Most of them are low effort or no effort launches where people are just planning on rugging the coin for a couple hundred or a couple $1,000s. To actually create one that is going to get off the ground, get some attention, and get people buying is so much more difficult than people on YouTube make it sound. So in the next few minutes, I'll tell you exactly why 99% of people don't make any money launching meme coins. Exactly the people who are actually getting rich with it, and how easy it can be if you know the right tools to use. Here's what people like this are doing wrong. You should not be launching it directly on pumpfun. You should not be launching it without bundling the supply in wallets that you control. And you should not be launching without volume bots set up in advance to get it off the ground. Now, if that sounds confusing or difficult, well, it's really not anymore with the launch of some of these new all-in-one tools and bots that do all of this for you. Generally, you do need a decent idea and some marketing, but if you look at a lot of successful meme coins, most are pretty dumb, right? But you could have the best idea in the world, and if you're not launching it correctly, there's almost no chance that anyone is ever going to see it, let alone buy it. These tools and bots are so powerful now that you can get a meme coin off the ground without even having a website, a Twitter page, a Telegram group, or doing really anything to market it. Now, most of the people who launch coins like this will probably just rug them in the first hour and make a couple $1,000s, but you wouldn't do that, right? Right? Anyway, one of the issues with these tools is that most cost anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 or 15 to 20 solana, which is a bit pricey for most people. But there is one that does it all for a fraction of the cost, and that is meme tools. So here's what it can do. You get a full dashboard where you can launch tokens straight to pump.fun or Radium. You can create up to 20 wallets to bundle the supply prior to launching, and it will automatically buy random amounts in each wallet before anyone else has the chance to buy, making it look like the supply is spread out while you actually control it. Then once your coin is launched, you can set the bots to create artificial volume, buying at random intervals to pump the price and entice other people to buy. At any time, you can sell your tokens from individual wallets or all of them at once, but that means you will be essentially rugging the coin. So that's on you if you want to do that. This video is just for educational purposes. The thing is, if you use all these tools, your coin has a really good chance to get some traction right away and actually turn it into something big if you put some effort in. And this is exactly how people who are actually making money launching meme coins do it. The crazy thing is that meme tools only cost 3 solana, which is about 80% cheaper than most tools that do exactly the same thing. I put a link in the description. It's not an affiliate link and I don't get anything from them, but it's just the best tool on the market for the best price. If you want to buy this, you just send 3 sol to their wallet address, put in your email, and then they email you the license and login details for your account. So this is how people are making ridiculous amounts of money launching meme coins, and how you can do it too without much effort. If this video helped you out, I'd appreciate a like, and I'd recommend watching their more in-depth tutorials if you do end up buying it. And I'll just say again that this video is for educational and informative purposes only. Okay? Okay, bye.